Hey there, Shawn Bayley. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about coaching funnel mistakes that are probably costing you clients. So let's jump right into it. So mistake number one, not putting out clearly what it is that you solve. See, your potential clients want to know what the outcome is. They don't care about you. They don't care about your awards or your certifications or any of that kind of stuff. They just want to know that you can solve their problem. For example, can you help them go from $10,000 a month to $100,000 a month and do it in 30 days? Can you help them lose that baby weight and get back to the pre-baby body that they had and do it 90 days from now? And can you help them start an Amazon business that will let them quit their 9-to-5 job by this time next year? Mistake number two is no sales funnel. Yes, believe it or not, some coaches just have a plain old website that their nephew created, and that's it. They don't have any type of lead capture device, which doesn't let you collect email addresses so that you can market to these people and follow up with them, because some people will go check out your funnel, opt in, and they won't go any further, right? But you send them enough content, goodwill, value through email marketing, and then they might become customers or clients down the line. But if you don't have some type of lead capture device, you're not going to be able to do that. They also don't have some type of sales funnel designed to take interested people, get them booked on a calendar for a call with you, the coach, the expert, and get them signed up with your program. They don't have a way to filter out the freebie seekers, right? So by using some type of intake form, that will generally get the freebie seekers to take off and not waste your time. And lastly, with no funnel, you don't have a way to check your stats, your traffic, your conversions, and know what your numbers are. Things that get measured get improved. And a coaching funnel lets you do all of those things above. Mistake number three is not using a video presentation. The great thing about this is that it gets a yes or no answer from your ideal prospect when they watch your video presentation. Your benefits are going to be clearly laid out as far as what kind of benefits are in your program. And with a video presentation, you get them excited. You get to sell them what they want and then deliver on the back end. Once they become a client, you get to give them what they actually need, because the two aren't necessarily the same thing. Inside a video presentation, you can use powerful belief-based selling elements to get people sold on your coaching offer before you even talk to them, right? A video presentation is going to be better than a webinar. It's more powerful than a plain old video sales letter, and it can be quickly created and deployed. And I'm going to show you an example of that. Here we have an example of an advanced sales presentation on inside a sales funnel. So the cool thing is that after someone's opted in, then they get dropped into this step here, right? And it tells them you're just one step away. Step one, watch this video, discover how fast you can set up a passive income framework. And step two is to click the button below to learn more, right? So we tell them, click play, turn on the volume, watch this simple 12-minute video. We tell them how long the actual video is. How great is 12 minutes versus a 90-minute webinar, right? So with this, all they have to do is just watch this video, and then they can go ahead and click the button to go to the next step in the funnel, right? And below this, we've got some proof, we've got some testimonials, right? We've got all this information. But the great thing is to go and make a simple 12-minute video like this. It doesn't take very long. It can be deployed, it can be created quickly, and it can be deployed quickly. And if this one doesn't take, just go and create a new one. You can go and pivot, right? You're not invested in a long-term webinar versus just doing an advanced sales presentation. So those are 3 coaching funnel mistakes that are probably costing you clients. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.